Enter Wuji stance. And from Wuji stance, our arms can float up, soft but active, so they're not limp. It's like we're holding a ball in front of us, or like we're hugging a tree. The shoulders are down and relaxed. Fingertips are relaxed, but still active. We can still move them. Elbows are down. All the elements of the Wuji stance are there. Bottom heavy, top light. And like the Wuji stance, we seek enjoyment. We can move around a little bit and change our position so it feels comfortable. We have space here like we're holding a big ball. We can move it in, but not in too far. So if this is causing you stress holding it out too far, bring it in a little bit. If up too high is causing your shoulders too much, bring it down a little bit. And relax, 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 like your whole body is just dissolving. Breathe naturally and spontaneously, or long, slow, deep breaths. Think of your lower dantian. Just briefly charge up that battery. Let everything settle. We're shooting for quality over quantity. So do this shorter and then build up a little bit, add a little bit more time, add a little bit more time. Don't sacrifice your quality. How it feels to you. Believe it or not, it should soon feel enjoyable. Hugging the tree and dissolving.